All right, guys, welcome to classwork number 35. We're talking about average rate of change today. This is a super important topic, something that we're going to connect to many real-world applications. Today, we're going to be looking at supercars. So a couple of supercars, BMW, Mercedes, and Audi. We're going to be comparing them and using average rate of change to be comparing them and understand which ones are the fastest out of that group. So average rate of change is a way that we can compare data, just like it's just another function that just like we've been talking about, right? Function. So let's dive into this. In previous lessons, we have looked at the behavior of a function, focusing on whether it increases or decreases. So let's take this a step further. There are many situations where finding how fast a function is increasing or decreasing is very important measurement. So let's look at example number one. There's a magazine out there called Car and Driver. It's a very popular magazine. You might have heard of it. And it's all about cars. So Car and Driver magazine wanted to compare 3 of their top cars for 2021. Okay, here's their nice picture. They had some really great pictures, so I put them all in this because I just think they look cool. I really like cars. They used average rate of change to decide which of the 3 cars was fastest. So they're going to take data from these cars. They're going to put them into a table. And you're going to see the table. You're going to see the graph. And we're going to determine the average rate of change, which is how quickly something is increasing or decreasing. In this case, it'll be increasing. So how quickly the speed is increasing with these cars, whichever car is speeding up the fastest is the fastest car. And so we want to know that. And in order to do that, we have to calculate what's called the average rate of change. So here are the 3 different cars. This first one, gray one's called the BMW M8 Competition Grand Coupe. The middle one, red, called the Audi RS7. And the Mercedes AMG GT63S is in the back, and it's blue. It's kind of back there, but I have other pictures of it, so you'll see it in a better light soon enough. But here we go. So make your prediction. Which car is the fastest? So you're going to circle your guess. I'm not going to make a guess. Maybe I'll make one, or I'll tell you what my guess is later on. Obviously, I know the answer, but before I read the article, I did make a guess, but I'm not going to make one here. I want you guys to make your own, and then I'll tell you what my guess was later. Okay? I will see you guys on the next page after you make your guess.